PBT scientifically polybutadiene terephthalate fat is a milky white, translucent to opaque crystalline thermoplastic polyester resin. As one of the toughest engineering thermoplastic materials, PBT is made of 1.4 PBT butadiene and terephthalic acid oil. Phthalic acid resin condensation and mixing. The molecular structure is strong. It has excellent chemical stability and mechanical strength. Naturally weak high melting point, high hardness, durable wear, permeability and other characteristics. PBT is actually a better material for high-cost keycaps than ABS, which is why it is so popular among hardcore gamers. But these characteristics are not very friendly to manufacturers. Too high melting point and stable molecular structure make PBT keycaps in production very difficult to melt and shape. Need to use hot and more heat-resistant rollers to blend with it. High hardness and poor fluidity are easy to lead to warping or shrinkage of the surface of the material in the process of cooling and stripping, which needs to be heated under uniform pressure to restore the smooth. This affects the production cost and difficulty of PBT keycaps. And PBT material itself is not transparent. It's difficult to make like ABS keycaps. So most PBT keyboards do not have RGB function. Manufacturers through the thermal sublimation process for the keycap design many complex, colorful patterns and characters, so that not only highlight the player and keyboard boring, while maintaining the overall durability of the PBT keycap. The high cost of thermal sublimation process, combined with the price of PBT materials, also confirmed the identity of PBT high-price keycap.